Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another turn a toy into a puppet. That's not what we're calling it, but you get the idea. This one is a skateboarding dog. I tried putting batteries in it. I tried moving the skateboard. I couldn't figure it out. And then I realized that the dog is not even really part of the skateboard. It's a different gimmick. And we'll put that out of shot right there. But now I've got this dog. It's a weird looking dog. It's very light, and frankly I have no way to know how it goes into play here. So what we're going to try and do is figure out how to make this dog into a puppet. Okay, so we've got a blindfold there. We'll get that out of the way. It's got some mechanism in the head and in the body. The tail does not. I'm going to do this. I think what I'm going to do is go through the belly, okay? And we'll make a little incision in the belly, and we'll be able to do it that way. So then I can actually use it as a puppet if need be. Let's see here. So we're going to get that and go right like this. Okay, right down the center. I think that's probably the most safe way to do it. All right, so we're going to take the legs and remove those. They actually, I think, fold up, so if I can get it off the actual leg, it'll probably fold forward is what I'm looking at here, or not. So let's see here. Hold on. I might just be able to. Is it sewn on? They actually. Did they really? They did. Each one of these is sewn on. So hold on a second. I can't very well just remove it. I have to actually undo the little stitching. Hold on. There it goes, and it's sewn in. No, just the one spot. Okay. Thought that would have been odd. Okay, so we've got the one leg there. This one here, same thing. It's going to be sewn on. They're not very strong legs, so it's not that big a deal in there. And it's just one little stitch, but again, you got to be careful not to nick your hand. Now it looks like a weird robot, but it's working. That little gizmo there, and then we're going to lift this leg off of here. Hang on, almost got it. It folds back out of the way, and then we can get to the stitch on the front. This one's stitched twice. Oh my goodness. This one's like stitched all the way across, it looks like. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to have to get the seam ripper on this one, and we'll pop these guys loose. Or is that glue? No, that's a seam. Hold on. Hold on, here we go. I think this is going to do it. Right there like that. Okay. So I want to know, I've been doing these puppets conversions for a while now. I want to know if you guys have made any of your own. I'd love to see them. I want you to try and post them if you can. Even a photograph in the comment section. I would love to see some of those. I know I have one of the friends of the channel, Bub, he's been doing voices. So Bub, thank you for hanging in with me on that. But I don't know, Bub, if you've made any. I've seen a few of your videos on the voices. You had one where it was saying goodnight for about 14 minutes or something like that. That one was a little over the top for me, but it was still, you're getting creative, and that's good. So Bub, good job on that. But I want to see if you guys have made any of these things for yourself. Okay, so this one is coming off pretty easy. So I've got it. I'm going to slip it right back over the top of the head. This is weird. It looks almost like a robot now. A dog robot. This is the dog. This is Dog Terminator, I think, is what it is. It's got an exoskeleton underneath, and is that sewn on? Please tell me it's good. Okay, I just have to push a little harder. There we go. All right. And oh yeah. Oh wow, this is creepy. The eyes are actually in a it's sewn into a socket. So those eyes actually work. I don't know how we're gonna. Oh wait a second. Let's see. Back in the back, there is like a. Looks like the post for the eyes. So we might not be able to do this. Hold on a second. If I can get that post to turn, or something. I don't know how they would do it, but let me see here. Oh boy. Those eyes are really fused in there. So let me see. Here, let me get it's off the leg. Let's get the legs back. Let's get the mouth. Let's see if the mouth will come off. Well, the mouth is sewn on, but I don't know. Oh, that's that. Okay, hold on. There is a screwdriver spot for the mouth. Now the mouth, I think, is fabric, but it's got the little moving section. So it's screwed on by 2 screws here. There's number 1 and number 2. So we get these screws removed, and we'll see if this part comes out. And then I just might be able to pull the eyeballs out too, but it might be fun to leave them in the... This might be a reverse. We might use the actual, the robotic dog version here and make something interesting that way. Okay, so does that come out? Oh, please. Hold on. Now I don't want to ruin the dog. I want to keep the dog because it's cool looking. Okay, let's see here. So that, I undid it. Is it just maybe clamped shut? Yep, that's all it was. Oh, there's a tongue. The tongue was stuck in there and I couldn't get it out. Okay, so now there's one there. Oh, it's sewn on too. Oh my goodness, I have a dilemma now because now I've got this. Ooh, hang on. I've got this really cool. There's oh, this is gonna be awesome. This is gonna be awesome because these ears move. Oh, this is awesome. Hold on. I can always put new eyes on the puppet, but yes. This is cool. That's a nose. That's what I've got to get that off there. So stay on, stay on, stay on. Please stay on. Awesome. Look at that. Now I've got a robot dog. This is totally cool. This is a happy accident. I have a robot dog now with apparently like it shed its snake skin, but this is my robot dog, and this is creepy. But there he is. You can make your own robot dog now from a Fur Real Friends. Fur Real, like fur, F-U-R, real, R-E-A-L, friends. You can make a robot dog just like that. Oh, that's awesome. So, but we'll see if we can still make the puppet work here. This is going to be creepy because it's not going to have eyes or a nose. Whoops. Tongue went that way. Oh, wow. This is weird. This is so weird. Let's see. The legs have to be popped back out. So they're back out there. It's really like a snake skin. Like it shed its skin. And it's the Terminator dog. Dun 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 dun. Yep, there he is. I know what I can do. I've got the eyes right here. Whoops, hang on. Oh, this is weird. There he is, the puppet with the little eyes there. And oh, let's put the snout out. There it is. Let's see if we can do this. Let's see. Hold on. I don't think the snout's going to work, but I know I can do, you know those little finger puppet things you'd use with the little thing? Now I've got a finger puppet eye dog. And we'd have to come up with some sort of little thing where I could move it with my fingers. But there he is, a fur real puppet and a fur real robot dog. This is awesome. This is going to go up on my shelf. You know what, guys? Thanks for coming along. I appreciate it. Thank you for being part of the family. Those of you who've been with us before, thank you, thank you, thank you. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe, and you'll get all the YouTube videos before I even post them on the DIY Magician or whatever channel I'm posting them on. And I want to thank you. Again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.